Hello, welcome back to another lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be going over the solutions for the sketch exercise. So for this first one, I already have it open, so open yours. We are going to edit the sketch. Then to add our radius, what we'll do is click on radius. And we click on radius is also called fillet. So I said radius, but it's the same thing as fillet. I don't want to confuse you. Click on your fillet and add a 1 dimension, and we can click that point, or you can select both lines. So if I select both lines, the same thing, or you can click that point and click OK. So that's how you add your fillet. For the second one, we want to add our chamfer. So we'll come down, chamfer. We want to select the angle distance, and the angle, the distance is 1 and the angle is 45. So when you select your line, you have to select it in that order. So the first line we select will be our distance, and the second line will be our angle. So that's how that works. Or we can select both the point to add the chamfer, but again, because we are selecting distance angle, the first line we select will be our distance. So let me exit and try that again. The first line we select will be our distance, and then the second line will be our angle. So that is how you create this fillet and chamfer. So for the next one, so we need to create something that looks like this. So let me open my sketch. So sketch 2. I'm going to open my sketch 2. Open it. So what I'm going to do is edit my sketch. Right click on the sketch, click edit sketch. And now for this, I'm just going to use the mirrored entities. So entities to mirror, I'll select all this line. So again, if I use the green selection, which is right to left, select everything. So in mirrors to mirror about, so we want to mirror about this line. Let me zoom out so you see. And click OK. And that is how you create the sketch 2. For sketch 3, I'm going to open it. And let me move it somewhere where you can see it. Right click to edit the sketch. The first thing I can do is clean this up. So to clean it up, I'll use my trim. You can use any trim entities you want, but I'll use the trim to closest. So I'll click this point, cut that out, cut this out, cut that out, cut this and that. So I have a shape like that. The next thing I'm going to do is add my relation. So I'll click on this line, make it horizontal. Click on this line, make it vertical, and click on this line and make it horizontal. So once I add my relation, then the last thing I'll do is add my dimension. So my dimension will be 4, and here will be 3. So now I have a fully defined sketch with my relation and dimension. And that is the solution for this sketch assignment. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.